BrainBobble presents Rise and Thrive. 7 powerful strategies that make getting out of bed a breeze. Are you one of those people who struggle to get out of bed every morning? Do you hit snooze several times before finally dragging yourself out of bed? Well, we've got you covered. We're bringing you the best strategies and tips to make your mornings a little bit easier. In this video, we'll show you how to start your day on the right foot with creative and fun ways to get out of bed that will leave you feeling energized, motivated, and ready to conquer the day. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in together. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule is one of the most important things you can do to improve your health and well-being. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. This rhythm controls when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy, and it's important to maintain a balance to ensure you're getting the best quality sleep possible. When you're consistent with your bedtime and waking time, you're training your body to know when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. This means that you'll be more likely to wake up feeling refreshed and rested, rather than groggy and disoriented. As you get into the rhythm of maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, your body will begin to naturally wake up around the same time each morning without the need for an alarm clock. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule can be challenging, but it's well worth it in the end. You'll notice a significant improvement in your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function throughout the day. Plus, you'll get to enjoy more restful sleep, which can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of chronic health problems. 2. Set an intention before bed. Planning for a good night's sleep starts with setting an intention that will give you the motivation to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Before you drift off to sleep, take a moment to reflect on the kind of morning you want to have. Visualize opening your eyes to a glorious new day, feeling invigorated and ready to take on whatever challenges you may face. By focusing your thoughts on this vision, your subconscious mind will work to make it a reality. You will wake up with a positive mindset, and this good vibe will set the tone for the day ahead. So invest a couple of moments before bed to intentionally set up an energized day, as this little adjustment will make a massive difference in your mornings. You will be able to conquer the day, and nothing will get in the way of accomplishing your daily goals. 3. Use an alarm clock with light. If you're someone who finds it difficult to get up in the morning, a traditional alarm clock might not do the trick for you. That's where a unique and powerful tool comes into play, an alarm clock with a light feature. These types of alarm clocks mimic the sunrise, waking you up gradually and peacefully, providing a more natural start to your day. As the light slowly brightens, it signals your body to start producing cortisol, which will help you feel more energized and awake. By waking up to a gentler light instead of a blaring alarm clock, you'll feel less groggy and disoriented, which can help you stay motivated and productive throughout the day. It's like tricking your body clock into thinking it's time to wake up naturally. Plus, the light feature can serve as a stylish addition to your bedroom decor, adding an interesting yet functional element to your space. 4. Keep the room cool and dark. Creating the perfect ambience in your bedroom is crucial when it comes to ensuring a good night's sleep. When you keep your room cool and dark, you can enjoy a restful sleep that will make it easier to wake up each morning feeling refreshed and restored. That's because your body temperature tends to drop when you sleep, and a cooler room will help aid that process, making you feel more comfortable and able to relax. Plus, a darker room helps signal to your mind that it's time to wind down, helping you fall asleep more easily. Not only does a good night's sleep ensure you wake up feeling more energized, but it also helps regulate mood, stress levels, and cognitive performance. So, adjust your room temperature and block out any unnecessary light sources, such as street lights or electronics that emit blue lights. You'll soon notice the difference in how much more refreshed and ready to tackle the day you feel each morning. 5. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and electronics before bed. Before going to bed, it's essential to set up an environment that promotes quality sleep. One of the best things you can do to help yourself get a restful night of sleep is to avoid caffeine, alcohol, and electronics before bedtime. Caffeine and alcohol are both stimulants and disrupt your sleep patterns, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. On the other hand, electronics emit blue light that blocks the release of melatonin, which is the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. This type of light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, making it challenging to fall asleep. Instead, opt for relaxing activities like reading a book or taking a bath to help you unwind and relax. Choose a book that doesn't require too much mental stimulation and enjoy a soak in a warm bath, which can help to relieve tension and soothe your muscles. By understanding the importance of eliminating caffeine, alcohol, and electronics before bed, you'll be able to set yourself up for a more productive, focused, and alert day. Getting enough quality sleep is critical for maintaining optimal health, making it easier to function, and giving you the energy to tackle the day ahead. 6. Consider aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is an excellent way to treat yourself to a luxurious, calming experience that will benefit both your body and mind. Diffusing essential oils such as lavender, peppermint, or citrus scents before bed can have a major impact on your sleep quality and overall well-being. Each scent has its own unique properties that stimulate your senses and promote relaxation. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties and is known for reducing anxiety and stress levels, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Peppermint can help with congestion and clear the sinuses, making breathing easier for those with respiratory issues. Citrus scents can help invigorate and energize you for the day ahead, as well as help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. By incorporating aromatherapy into your sleep routine, you can create a peaceful and calming environment that promotes restful sleep. The scents also help to calm the nervous system, leading to a more restful and restorative slumber. It's easy to incorporate essential oils into your bedtime routine by using a diffuser, which will help disperse the oils throughout your room. The gentle scent will help you relax, unwind, and prepare for the next day. So, consider adding aromatherapy to your routine, and you'll awaken feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the day. 7. Plan something to look forward to. Having something to look forward to can be a powerful motivator that helps kickstart your day with excitement and anticipation. It's natural to feel a sense of increased energy and enthusiasm when you have something planned. It could be as simple as meeting a friend for breakfast, going for a walk in your favorite park, or attending a fun event later in the day. By planning something special, you give yourself a reason to get up and moving, and this added burst of motivation can set the tone for the rest of your day. Life can become monotonous when every day feels the same. But when you infuse each day with something unique to look forward to, it can transform the dullness into something exciting and worthwhile. Moreover, positive anticipation can promote sound sleep, which in turn will improve your overall mood, boost productivity, and increase your sense of well-being. Waking up each morning doesn't have to be a battle. You can start your day with excitement and energy by implementing these 7 simple strategies that make getting out of bed a breeze. From taking time to plan something special every day, to making sure you're prepared and rested, these strategies will keep you motivated and eager to seize the day. There's no need to dread getting out of bed. Be empowered and start your day with confidence. Rise and thrive. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.